Have you ever paused to wonder about the patterns that pervade our natural world, the symmetry in art, or the harmony in design? There's a secret mathematical code at the heart of it all, whispering its presence through the intricacies of the universe: the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio. The Fibonacci sequence, named after the Italian mathematician Leonardo Fibonacci, is a simple series of numbers that starts off with 0 and 1. Each subsequent number in the sequence is the sum of the two numbers that came before it. So it begins as 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and continues endlessly in the same manner. Now, you might be wondering, what does this number sequence have to do with patterns in nature or design? The answer lies in the Fibonacci ratios, which emerge from this sequence. These ratios, such as 0.618 and 1.618, are surprisingly prevalent in various fields. From stock trading to art to nature, these ratios weave a pattern that's as beautiful as it is mysterious. But the mathematical magic doesn't stop there. Enter the golden ratio, often represented by the Greek letter phi. The golden ratio is approximately 1.618, and it shares a deep connection with the Fibonacci sequence. As you venture further into the Fibonacci sequence, you'll notice that the ratio of two consecutive Fibonacci numbers starts to converge towards the golden ratio. This relationship between the Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio is a captivating illustration of the omnipresence of mathematics in our world. It's not just in the equations we solve or the problems we crack. It's in the spiral of a galaxy, the petals of a sunflower, the brushstrokes of a masterpiece, and the architecture of a skyscraper. The Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio contribute to the proportions and patterns that our eyes find pleasing. To sum it up, the Fibonacci sequence is a series of numbers where each number is the sum of the two preceding ones. From this sequence emerge the Fibonacci ratios, which appear in various fields. The golden ratio, approximately 1.618, is closely related to the Fibonacci sequence. As you progress to higher numbers in the sequence, the ratio of consecutive numbers converges towards the golden ratio. This intriguing interplay between these two mathematical concepts reflects the interconnectedness of our world, where math is not just a subject, but the very language of the universe. So the next time you marvel at a seashell's spiral, admire a piece of art, or gaze at a skyscraper, remember the secret code that's silently at work. The Fibonacci sequence and the golden ratio, the unseen architects of beauty, harmony, and symmetry.